Hey there, have you been keeping an eye on the US dollar lately? Because if you haven't, there's some news you need to know. According to Goldman Sachs' Kamaksha Trivedi, the US dollar is on a steady decline, and it's here to stay. So what's going on? For starters, foreign investors are reassessing their investments in US dollar-denominated assets. With the dollar weakening and economic risks on the rise, confidence in assets like US treasuries and equities is taking a hit. This shift isn't just talk. We're seeing actual moves from investors diversifying into other markets, especially emerging ones. But why is the dollar losing its shine? The US economy is facing some pretty big recession risks. We've got weakening labor market data, and ongoing trade tensions are creating a lot of uncertainty. Plus, the Federal Reserve's decision to keep interest rates low isn't helping the dollar's value either. And get this, the traditional inverse relationship between US treasuries and equities has broken down, which is making investors even more jittery. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Spot gold has surged to a new inflation-adjusted all-time high above $3,500 per ounce. Central banks are moving away from dollar assets and increasing their gold reserves. Goldman Sachs has even raised their year-end gold forecast to $3,700 per ounce, with projections that it might hit $3,880 if ETF inflows continue to rise. They are recommending long positions in gold, seeing it as a standout asset given the macro risks and relatively light investor positioning. So what should you, as an investor, make of all this? Well, understanding these trends is crucial. With the dollar's decline looking like a long-term event, diversifying your investment portfolio might be a wise move. Looking into assets like gold, which is proving to be a safe haven, could be beneficial. And keeping an eye on emerging markets could uncover new opportunities. To wrap it up, it's clear that the dollar's weakness isn't just a blip on the radar. With foreign investors pulling away and economic uncertainties piling up, this trend seems set to continue. Stay informed, stay flexible, and don't be afraid to diversify your investments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the finance world. See you next time.